คุณบอกโอนออกเนี่ยอะไรได้ยืงจับตามกรรมที่เหมือนนี่ยืงบานไปจับในทางมุกกระทรวงการบริหารอเมริกแล้วในนี้ปีนี้มองมวยเชียงนี่ยืงเมามุกในมุกสถานทูตไทยไว้แต่ยืงมอตีนี้คือโดยซาแต่ไทยหนึ่งการไปเชียร์กับพวกแต่มีปัญหาจมวยขี้เนี่ยแมนยืงมีปัญหาจมวยไทยคือไทยรำโลบมาเลยตักใดในบ่อยืงไทยบ้านสำรับวิทยากองตอบยืงไทยบ้านสำรับประเทียบรองขมายยืงไทยกับพงแต่พลาวกรอบหมดดักเลยตักใดการไปเชียร์ยืงเพื่อเอาติ๊กเพื่อเอาโคตรคาดไปตะกพรนะบ่ยืงบางพบโลกแต่โมจิภาษาคือภาษาแปรไปเฮียจังนงเรียนเชียร์โปรรขมายไงนี้ยืงเอาสกจัดได้ยืงเมาโชว์ในขังมกสถานทูตไทยส้มเอาสถานทูตไทยดักสลายปัญหานี้บรรจุดำนันนี่ถักแม่แต่จนเชียร์แม่จนเชียร์แม่ได้จวบระมองจมวยหนึ่งไทยมันสกจัดได้ยืงหมดเพื่อปฏิกรรมในขังมกนี้ส้มเอาอักแกะริจตูไทยญาซานี่แต่การเรียนรัฐพิบาลระบบไทยไอ้บรรชุบเชียร์บรรต้อนในการรำโลกบ่มเปียนมาเลอประเทศกัมพูชีแต่กำปงแต่บ่มพลายต้นเพียนสอบสมบัติระบบกัมพูชีจีพิเศษคือช่วยไอ้ประเทศปรขมายเพียสักเชียงจัดหมื่นเลียนในบางองค์เราไปนี่คือจัดสมบูรณ์เชียงเนี่ยให้โดยชนะขนมเนียมเยอะจีปรขมายเยอะอดสกเจตเชื่อชื่อเจตาไงนี่จิตไงใส่กับพดแมนบรรทายอย่างหอยนักก็มีเหมือนไตรตู้ระบบสถานทูตไทยในที่นี้ประจำการข้าได้โดยชนะเยอะสมนิเยจีภาษาอังกฤษแต่มุนนั่งจีภาษาอังกฤษยังส้มเอาสินายอ่อนเยจีภาษาขมายมาไปเอาบอกอ่อนเยบันโจธาเยอะไงนี่แต่ออกคดีนั้นมาปีตามสเตทที่มวยจีภาษาในดีซีเวจิเนียมาไปมาซาชูเซตส์มาไปรถเซมไซนั่นคือมาจุดจมคดีเรือนนี่คือได้ซาแต่เยอะชื่อจักในการรำโลบของเพี้ยนระบบไทยจังส้มอ่อนสมเจยแบบ
ចាសូមជម្រាបសួរពូមីងពុកម៉ែបងប្អូននៅទីនេះទាំងអស់គ្នានេះខ្ញុំឈ្មោះចៅបណ្ណាជាពលរដ្ឋនៅក្នុងរដ្ឋគណតិកៈថ្ងៃនេះនឹងខ្ញុំមកស្ថានទូតថៃគឺដើម្បីគោលបំណងធំនោះគឺយើងសូមឲ្យស្ថានទូតថៃនេះជួយអន្តរាគមន៍ទៅរដ្ឋាភិបាលថៃដើម្បីឲ្យដោះលែងយុទ្ធជនរបស់យើងទាំង18រូបជាពិសេសនោះគឺឈប់ជាបន្ទាន់នៅការរំលោភបំពានទៅលើទឹកដីកម្ពុជាយើងគិតថានេះមិនមែនជាការគ្រាន់តែការចង់បានទឹកដីទេវាលើសអំពីការចង់បានទឹកដីរបស់យើងអ្នកថាជាទឹកដីរបស់អ្នកតែអ្នកបានខ្លាញ់តែអ្នកបានខ្លាញ់ប្រសាទរបស់យើងបើអ្នកថានោះជាប្រសាទរបស់អ្នកហេតុអីក៏អ្នកបំផ្លាញវាកម្ពុជាមិនហ៊ានទេមិនហ៊ានបាញ់ប្រសាទខ្លួនឯងទេនេះជាផតតាមួយយ៉ាងច្បាស់ថាប្រសាទនឹងទឹកដីនោះគឺជារបស់កម្ពុជាបើសិនវាជារបស់អ្នកច្បាស់ជាមិនហ៊ានបាញ់នឹងកំទេចប្រាសាទនោះឡើយដូច្នេះយើងសូមឲ្យទូតប្រទេសថៃជួយអន្តរាគមន៍ទៅរដ្ឋាភិបាលថៃឈប់រដ្ឋទាំងវើរំលោភបំពានទៅលើប្រទេសកម្ពុជាយើងត្រូវការសន្តិភាព
ឲ្យបងគ្នានិយាយអង់គ្លេស
អរគុណបងប្អូនអរគ្នាបាទមិញនេះណែគាត់បានលើកឡើងអំពីការឈឺចាប់គាត់និយាយសឹងតែមិនចេញផងអញ្ចឹងសូមឲ្យបុនសុនច្បាស់ជាងនេះថែមទៀតបាទ
អរេ
ហេឡូយើងខ្ញុំទាំងអស់គ្នាតំណាងឲ្យប្រជាពលរដ្ឋខ្មែរទាំងអស់ដែលរស់នៅក្រៅប្រទេសជាពិសេសនៅក្នុងសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកសូមផ្ញើសារតាមរយៈមន្ត្រីស្ថានទូតដែលជាតំណាងស្របច្បាប់នៃរដ្ឋាភិបាលទីក្រុងបាងកកនៃប្រទេសថៃរដ្ឋាភិបាលទីក្រុងបាងកកតែងតែអះអាងថាទឹកដីទាំងឡាយនៅក្នុងតំបន់វិវាទព្រំដែនរវាងកម្ពុជាថៃគឺជាទឹកដីស្របច្បាប់របស់ព្រះរាជាណាចក្រប្រទេសថៃហើយរដ្ឋាភិបាលនៃប្រទេសថៃក៏តែងតែអះអាងថាខ្លួនមានផែនទីស្របច្បាប់ដែលបញ្ជាក់ថាតំបន់ទាំងអស់នោះគឺជាតំបន់ដែលស្ថិតនៅក្រោមអធិបតេយ្យភាពរបស់ថៃហើយផែនទីរបស់ប្រទេសថៃផ្ទាល់ក៏ត្រូវបានទទួលស្គាល់ដោយអន្តរជាតិនានាទូទាំងសកលលោក ដើម្បីឲ្យករណីនេះមានភាពជ្រះស្រឡះហើយច្បាស់លាស់ទាំងអស់គ្នាកុំឲ្យភាគីម្ខាងតែងតែនិយាយដណ្ដើមវែកញែកគ្នាថាទឹកដីដែលមានចំនួននៅតាមបណ្ដោយខ្សែបន្ទាត់ព្រំដែនជាទឹកដីរបស់ភាគីរៀងខ្លួនខ្ញុំបាទជាតំណាងប្រជាពលរដ្ឋខ្មែរដែលរស់នៅសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកស្នើសុំឲ្យស្ថានទូតនៃប្រទេសថៃដែលតំណាងស្របច្បាប់នៃព្រះរាជាណាចក្រនៃប្រទេសថៃមានសេចក្តីក្លាហានក្នុងការយកសំណុំរឿងនៃវិវាទចំនួនព្រំដែនរវាងកម្ពុជាថៃយកទៅដាក់នៅតុលាការយុត្តិធម៌អន្តរជាតិ ICJ ហើយផ្ដល់សិទ្ធិស្របច្បាប់ពេញលេញដល់តុលាការយុត្តិធម៌អន្តរជាតិ ICJ ក្នុងការវែកញែកក្នុងការដោះស្រាយនិងធ្វើសេចក្តីសម្រេចយកផែនទីរៀងខ្លួនដែលខ្លួនអះអាងថាជាផែនទីត្រឹមត្រូវស្របច្បាប់ហើយមានការទទួលស្គាល់ជាលក្ខណៈអន្តរជាតិយើងដោះស្រាយដោយសន្តិវិធីដោះស្រាយដោយផ្លូវច្បាប់អន្តរជាតិក្រោយអំពីមានដំណោះស្រាយនឹងការវែកញែកទោះបីជាមានលទ្ធផលយ៉ាងណាក៏ដោយភាគីទាំងពីរគួរតែអាចទទួលយកបានទាំងភាគីថៃនិងភាគីកម្ពុជាដោយកន្លងមកភាគីថៃតែងតែអះអាងថាខ្លួនជាប្រទេសធំខ្លួនជាប្រទេសដែលមានអរិយធម៌ខ្ពង់ខ្ពស់ជាប្រទេសប្រកបទៅដោយក្រមសីលធម៌ខ្ពស់ជាប្រទេសដែលរុងរឿងដែលរីកចម្រើនដូច្នេះប្រទេសមួយដែលមានភាពថ្លៃថ្នូរគួរណាដែលដោះស្រាយគ្នាដោយយន្តការច្បាប់អន្តរជាតិដោះស្រាយគ្នាដោយសន្តិវិធីដោយពុំចាំបាច់ប្រើប្រាស់នៅអំពើហិង្សាដោយពុំបាច់ប្រើប្រាស់នៅកងប្រដាប់អាវុធកម្លាំងយោធានិងការសម្លាប់រង្គាលដល់ប្រជាពលរដ្ឋកម្ពុជាដែលជាជនជាតិដែលជាជនស៊ីវិលស្លូតត្រង់ពុំមានអាវុធនៅក្នុងដៃពុំចាំបាច់ដល់ការបំផ្លិចបំផ្លាញភូមិឋានរបស់ប្រជាពលរដ្ឋខ្មែរផ្ទះរបស់ប្រជាពលរដ្ឋខ្មែរទីវត្តអារាមរបស់ប្រជាពលរដ្ឋខ្មែរសាលារៀនរបស់ប្រទេសកម្ពុជានិងមន្ទីរពេទ្យរបស់ប្រទេសកម្ពុជានេះគឺជាទង្វើមួយដែលបង្ហាញថាប្រទេសមួយដែលមានភាពថ្លៃថ្នូរដែលមានអរិយធម៌ខ្ពង់ខ្ពស់ជាប្រទេសមួយដែលអួតខ្លួនថាជាប្រទេសដែលប្រកបទៅដោយក្រមសីលធម៌មានចំណេះដឹងខ្ពង់ខ្ពស់มันអាចធ្វើទង្វើទាំងអស់នេះបានឡើយខ្ញុំស្នើសុំម្ដងហើយម្ដងទៀតរដ្ឋាភិបាលថៃគួរណាតែមានសេចក្តីក្លាហាននិងដោះស្រាយបញ្ហាវិវាទព្រំដែនកម្ពុជាប្រកបដោយភាពថ្លៃថ្នូរបាទសូមអរគុណអរគុណបងប្អូនអរគុណ
Cambodia need peace.
Thailand must stop invading Cambodia.
Thailand must stop invading Cambodia.
Thailand must respect the international law.
Thailand must stop.
អរគុណបុនសូនអរគុណបងប្អូនអរគ្នាឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំបានឃើញអ្នកមីងពិសិដ្ឋម្ចាស់ផ្ទះអ្នកមីងជុំជើញបងអ្នកមីងបាទតែខាងនេះចំកណ្ដាលអ្នកមីងបាទ
ចូលនេះហ្មងមីងចូលនេះយ៉ា
បាយផងដែរបាយ
យ៉ា
ជម្រាបសួរបងប្អូនយើងទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានជួយមកដល់កន្លែងបាតកម្មនៅមុខរាជការប្រទេសថៃនេះណាចាសូមអរគុណដែលបានខំលះបង់ទាំងតិចនិងងារធ្វើដំណើរពីឆ្ងាយចិត្តឯងចូលមកណាឥឡូវដើម្បីឲ្យខាតពេលវេលាច្រើនយើងសូមពេលវេលាដល់ស្ថានទូតថៃសូមឲ្យមានការដោះស្រាយពីបញ្ហារឿងសង្គ្រាមឈានពានរបស់ថៃណាឥឡូវយើងគិតមើលប៉ុណ្ណេះចង់ឲ្យខ្ញុំនិយាយថៃក៏បានតែក៏មិន
Please speak Thai, please.
please
យើងគិតមើលប៉ុណ្ណេះណាឥឡូវឧបមាថាមនុស្សពីរនាក់វាយគ្នាខ្ញុំមានដបងហើយអ្នកឯងមានកំបិតហើយមានបថៅអីតែដបងហើយកំបិតអ្នកណាឈ្នះ យើងទទួលស្គាល់ថាប្រទេសកម្ពុជាយើងគឺមានការទួនខ្សោយទាំងខាងសេដ្ឋកិច្ចទាំងខាងស្ថាប័នអីទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងណាដូចជាថៃគាត់ឈានពៀននេះដូចជាសាហាវពេកដូចអាណៃគាត់មានប្រសាសន៍មកអញ្ចឹងគាត់ថាម៉េចប្រាសាទនេះបើតែឯងយកបានមិនឲ្យមានខ្មែរមាននៅអញ្ចឹងធ្វើអញ្ចឹងវាដូចជាអយុត្តិធម៌សម្រាប់ប្រទេសខ្មែរពេកហើយណាដូចជាអ្នកដែលមានអំណាចអ្នកដែលមានធនធានច្រើនហ្នឹងទៅរំលោភយើងអញ្ចឹងយើងសូមព្រាមនាងដល់ស្ថានទូតនៅព្រះរាជអាណាចក្រថៃហ្នឹងសូមឲ្យមានការដោះស្រាយដោយសន្តិវិធីកុំរំលោភបំពានកុំបំពានដូចរាល់ថ្ងៃហ្នឹងដូចជាវាអត់ត្រូវទេពួកឯងយើងប្រទេសថៃប្រទេសខ្មែរហ្នឹងគឺមានប្រវត្តិមកយូរលង់ដូចជាហាក់បីដូចជាឆាច់ញាតិជាប់ឈាមជ័រជាមួយគ្នាផងហើយម្យ៉ាងទៀតយើងប្រើពុទ្ធសាសនាដូចគ្នាណាហើយដល់ពេលយើងមានយើងធ្វើសកម្មភាពហ្នឹងដូចជាវាអត់មានចិត្តធម៌នៅមនុស្សធម៌និងគុណធម៌នៅក្នុងចិត្តណាអញ្ចឹងសូមឲ្យពេលនេះបងប្អូនយើងទាំងអស់ចូលមកហ្នឹងគឺមិនមែនមកជាហិង្សាទេគឺមកនេះគឺមកយើងមកដើម្បីដោះស្រាយឲ្យតំណាងស្ថានទូតនៃប្រទេសថៃហ្នឹងជួយដោះស្រាយដោយសន្តិវិធីហើយក៏សូមព្រាមនាងដល់រដ្ឋាភិបាលខ្មែរយើងចាំបាច់ច្បាំងចាំបាច់យកជីវិតប្រជាពលរដ្ឋទៅលេងសើចអីឲ្យសាប់រស់អញ្ចឹងទេគឺយើងអាចធ្វើទៅតាមរយៈច្បាប់ណាតាមភាពយុត្តិធម៌គឺយើងប្តឹងទៅតុលាការយុត្តិធម៌អន្តរជាតិហ្នឹងទៅគេរងចាំតែយើងតាតែយើងមិនព្រមធ្វើខ្ញុំនៅតែទទួលអំពាវនាវថាហេតុអីមានបញ្ហាអីមានផលវិបាកអីបានជារដ្ឋាភិបាលរបស់ខ្មែរយើងមិនព្រមប្តឹងទៅតុលាការអន្តរជាតិសូមឲ្យខាងរដ្ឋាភិបាលកម្ពុជាហ្នឹងបកស្រាយឲ្យបានច្បាស់លាស់ថាវាមានទុកសោកទុកលំបាករឿងស្អីបានមិនព្រមធ្វើតាមច្បាប់អន្តរជាតិសូមអរគុណ
អ្នកមីងអរគុណបាទឥឡូវនេះសូមអ្នកដែលនិយាយជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសម្ដងសុំនិនបាទ
Today we are outside of the Royal Thai Embassy to talk to demand peace for Cambodia and demand that Thailand must stop invading Cambodia and must respect the Cambodia border. So in that case, we have a letter for the Royal Thai Embassy that we will read on behalf of the Cambodian community here in the U.S. and the Cambodian community inside the country. To the Royal Thai Embassy, we write with urgency and determination in response to the escalating violence along the Cambodia and Thailand borders. The event on December 7 have endangered lives, destabilized community, and created a climate of fear that no family should ever have to endure. As members of the Cambodian community, youth advocates, and the defenders of human rights, we are demanding immediate action from the Royal Thai government. The current crisis cannot continue. Too many lives depend on the responsible decisions. We call on the Thai Royal Embassy to act without delay, to stop the war now and all military operations immediately. Every continued attack risks further casualties and pushes our region toward a dangerous and unnecessary conflict. Peace must take priority over force. Thailand must release the 18 captured Cambodian soldiers. Their safe return must be guaranteed. Holding these soldiers only intensifies dangers and fear on both sides of the borders. Releasing them is a critical step toward de-escalation and demonstrate a commitment to humanitarian standards. Honor the ceasefire in full. A ceasefire is not optional. It is a binding commitment to prevent further bloodshed. We are deeply concerned by the violation of the ceasefire agreed upon in Malaysia by the Kingdom of Thailand. This breach undermines the trust, exacerbates the tension, and escalates the conflict unnecessarily. We urge the Royal Thai government to immediately cease all hostilities, uphold the ceasefire, and engage in good dialogue to restore stability. This is a moment that demands clear leadership, moral responsibility, and a commitment to peace. The people of Cambodia and Thailand deserve a future where conflict is not the norm and where cooperation replaces hostility. our community are watching closely, demanding accountability and immediate action. We urge the Royal Thai Embassy to convey this urgent demands to your government today. And that needs to happen now and today, not tomorrow. The safety of civilians, the stability of the regions, and the path to peace depend on a timely and decisive action. Thank you for addressing this serious and urgent matter. We stand ready to support all peaceful effort that protects human rights, prevent further violence, and build a more stable future for both of our nations, both Cambodia and Thailand. So in that regard, Cambodia needs peace.
Cambodia needs peace.
Thailand must free our soldiers.
Thailand must free our soldiers.
Cambodia needs peace now.
Cambodia needs peace now.
Cambodia needs peace.
Cambodia needs peace.
Justice for Cambodia.
Justice for Cambodia.
Thailand must respect the ceasefire now.
Thailand must respect the ceasefire now.
ចាសូមអរគុណ
អរគុណបងប្អូនសុកនីនបាទបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវនេះមានអ្នកនិយាយភាសាថៃអញ្ចឹងសូមឲ្យភរិយាខ្ញុំម្ដងទៀតសាកភាសាថៃម្ដងទៀតដោយសារតែយើងនៅខាងមុខនៅស្ថានទូតថៃបាទសូមអញ្ជើញ
កុំយំឲ្យ strong តិច yeah និយាយទៅមុខហ្នឹងមក yeah ញ៉ៃឈរនេះ yeah strong បង strong yeah
Hi everyone. Thank you for being here today. I know we all come here for the same reason, right?
yes
And that is because Cambodia needs peace. Cambodia needs peace. Thailand must be stopped now. Thailand must be stopped now. Alright, now guys, I'm gonna speak Thai to Thai people. Hopefully they are still here. Dear Thai people,ฉันมาที่นี่เพื่อต้องการความยุติธรรมให้ประชาชนกัมพูชาที่ผ่านมาพวกเราผ่านอะไรมาเยอะแยะมากมายทำให้พวกเราทุกคนทรมานเจ็บปวดในใจทนไม่ไหวถึงจะมาถึงที่นี่พวกเราทุกคนมาจาก We are all come from far away, right? Yes. พวกเรามาที่นี่เพื่อมาพูดความในใจขอให้คนไทยทุกคนตอนที่จะพูดจะทำลายประเทศกัมพูชาใช้สมองกับหัวใจพวกเราแฟนคลับนาประพจน์เหมือนกันพวกเราไม่อยากเห็นสงครามอยากได้สันติภาพเพื่อทั้งสองฝ่ายไม่ว่าฉันรู้ว่าประชาชนทั้งสองฝ่ายทั้งไทยทั้งกัมพูชาไม่มีใครอยากได้สงครามหรอกแต่พวกฉันอยากได้สันติภาพมากค่ะพวกคนบอกว่าประเทศของฉันเคยผ่านสงครามมาต้องทรมานมากมายเพราะฉะนั้น I'm 100% sure we doesn't want war we all want peace Cambodian people want peace
Cambodia wants peace.
Stop bomb Cambodia. You got it, sister. You got it.
Make it.
ฉันรู้ว่าพวกคนอยากได้ประเทศของฉันมากอยากได้จนใจจะสั่นฉันรู้ว่าพวกคนอยากได้ปราสาทอังโครวัดพวกคนอยากได้ปราสาทตะควายปราสาทตะมอนโดยปราสาทตะมอนทองพวกคนทุกอยากได้ทุกคนแต่ฉันอยากจะพูดว่าอะไรที่เป็นของฉันอะไรที่ของเคมโบเดียนไทยไม่มีวันจะได้หรอกถึงแม้พวกคนอยากได้ตัวจะสั่นมากมายขนาดไหนไม่มีวันได้หรอกต้องรู้ว่าคนชั่วกับคนร้ายมันต่างกันแล้วอ่ะถ้าคนชั่วมันอยากได้ขนาดไหนมันไม่มีวันได้หรอกปราบเขามองแล้วอยู่ว่าใครชั่วใครร้ายเขาดีแล้วฉันอยากจะถามอีกข้อหนึ่งว่าคนไทยทุกคนน่ะพูดว่าประสาทของฉันเป็นประสาทของพวกคนแล้วทำไมพวกคน destroy
Why destroy our temple?
Why you destroy our temple? If you guys said it is for ใช่เพราะพวกคนเป็นคนชั่ว This is Cambodian temple not Thai temple Please understand ถ้ามันเป็นของพวกคนพวกคนไม่มีวันทำลายเหมือนพวกฉันรักประสาทของฉันมาก ไม่ว่าจะโบราณในชีวิตเราไม่มีวันทำลายหรอกแต่พวกคนจิตใจสกปรกมาทำลายประเทศฉันฆ่าประชาชนของฉันเราอยากได้แผ่นดินของฉันเสร็จแล้วมันจะตกนรกไอ้คนชั่วโอเคขอบคุณทุกคนที่มาที่นี่เอาคนเนี่ยแต่งงานគ្នា
អរគុណបាទជាកិច្ចបន្តសូមអញ្ជើញខាងលោកបងប្អូនយុវជន
ជាភាសាអង់គ្លេស
បាទជាភាសាអង់គ្លេស
បរទេស
Speak English ទៅណា
បងស្រីកាមេរ៉ាមកហើយ
Dear international communities, my name is Kantai. I'm a PhD student in chemical engineering here in the United States of America. And I'm here in this peace rally in front of the Royal Thai Embassy in order to share with the world what's going on in Cambodia right now. It's not a tension, it's not a border clash. It is an invasion. Thailand invaded Cambodia. Despite the intervention from ASEAN leader Anwar and the United States President Donald Trump, Thailand went back on its word and continue to launch airstrikes to our provinces that leads to evacuations of Cambodian citizens in the middle of the night and continues to bomb us in the civilian regions, including schools and bridges. This is not okay. This is bullying. Thailand, this might be a game for you. This might just be some grabbing some lands. But to us, it's a matter of life and death. To the Cambodians in Cambodia. And I am right now fighting for a country so that I can have a place to stay when my friends ask me where am I from in America. And for that, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kantai and I'm proudly from Cambodia. Thank you.
ណាគេទៀតបងស្ទឹកអីគួរមើល
អូខេអរគុណបងស្រីមិនណាមិញអានេះហ៎អូននិយាយបាទអត់អាចណាមុនក៏បានយើងអាចបញ្ចេញពីការជឿចាប់របស់យើងឲ្យស្ថានទូតថៃដឹង
Thank you everyone for being here today. As a proud Cambodian American, I urge you to please pay attention to what is happening to our country. I urge you to do as much as you can to donate money, to attend protests, to simply share social media posts. It is important that Thailand is held accountable by the United States and the international community for killing innocent Cambodian lives, for stopping the ceasefire and bombing an innocent country and continuing to try to steal our land and Angkor Wat. We urge you, pay attention, do not be complacent. We are losing our country as we speak. Fight for Cambodia.
Yeah!
We stand for Cambodia! We stand for Cambodia!
អូយ
ណាបងយាយ
នេះឈរនេះហ្មងបងយ៉ាឈរនេះមាន
Thank you everybody for being here. It is a pleasure for me to be here and be part of this rally today to protect the innocent people in Cambodia. And I have a speech for all of the people here and also the international community. Fellow Cambodians, brothers and sisters, friends of justice, we gather here today not because we seek conflict, but because we seek dignity, sovereignties, and peace. Cambodia is a small nation, but we are not a weak one. Our history teaches us the cost of silence, the cost of indifference, and the cost of allowing power to override principle. Today, we raise our voices and respond to action along our borders that threaten Cambodia's sovereignty and the safety of our people. Let us be clear. No nation has the right to violate another territorial integrity. Borders are not suggestion. Sovereignty is not negotiable. These are principles enshrined in international law, in ASEAN norms, and in the United Nations Charter. We do not call for war. We do not call for hatred. We call for respect. Respect for international law, respect for dialogue over force, respect for the life of ordinary people who bear the cost of elite decisions. Cambodia has always believed in peace coexistence. We believe disputes must be resolved through diplomacy, legal mechanisms, and regional cooperation, not through intimidation or unilateral action. Strength is not shown by military pressure. True strength is shown by restraint and responsibility. To the international community, do not look away. Silence enables escalation. Neutrality must not become indifference when fundamental principles are at stake. To ASEAN, this is the moment to prove that our region stands for peace, not for power politics. And to our people, unity is our greatest strength. Our resolve must be firm, but our actions must be wise. We defend our nation not with anger, but with clarity, discipline, and legitimacy. Cambodia stands for peace. Cambodia stands for dialogue. Cambodia stands firm today and always. May our voice be calm, our purpose be clear, and our message be heard. Long live Cambodia!
Long live Cambodia!
Long live peace!
Long live peace! Đây là công tác của những focus.
Hello, international community. My name is Sophia Rod. I only have a very short speech to Thailand. We are all here today to stand for peace, justice, and protection of innocent lives. We call on Thailand to stop bullying smaller nations like Cambodia. We urge the Thai government to respect Cambodian sovereignty and resolve all disputes through peaceful dialogue, not war. Can you repeat after me? Stop invading Cambodia.
Stop invading Cambodia!
Choose peace, not war.
Through peace, not war!
Protection civilians.
Protection civilian!
Thank you.
Thank you.
អរគុណមានបងប្អូនណាចង់បញ្ចេញមតិទៀតទេបាទមានបងប្អូនណាទៀតទេ
អង់គ្លេសអង់គ្លេស
តាមទូទៅមានមិនបើកភ្លើងទេចឹងបានថាមានគេនៅណាចេញគេស្ដាប់នៅខាងក្នុងបាទខាងក្នុងអូខេមានបងប្អូនណាចង់មានមតិទៀតទេបាទមកតាមរដ្ឋក៏បានដែរបាទមកដល់ទីនេះហើយណាបាទសូមជិះលពូបងជិះ
Click vô chương mà ngoài mà
Thailand, stop invading Cambodia!
Thailand, stop invading Cambodia!
Thailand, stop destroying Brahmahir Temple! Thailand should respect international law!
Should respect international law.
Thailand, stop invading Cambodia!
Thailand, stop invading Cambodia.
Cambodia needs peace!
Cambodia needs peace.
Cambodia needs peace!
Cambodia needs peace.
Thai, stop doing...
chọc thi lục thiên
Thai, stop invading Cambodia!
môi muối phí bầy
Again,
nên
Thai, stop doing that thing!
អូខេ
បងប្អូនអរគ្នាឥឡូវនេះយើងបានបញ្ចប់ចាប់កម្មវិធីហើយអញ្ចឹងក្នុងពេលលើកទីនេះសូមអរគុណបងប្អូនដែលបានតាមដានហើយយើងនឹងធ្វើកិច្ចការនេះបន្តទៅទៀតសម្រាប់បងប្អូនដែលជាជនជាតិខ្មែរក្នុងការរងចាំថាពួកយើងធ្វើអីខ្លះនៅក្រៅប្រទេសគឺអញ្ចឹងមិនតែខ្មែររួមគ្នាទេមិនថាខ្មែរមកពីគ្រប់សមាគមណាអង្គការណាគណៈបកណាទេដើម្បីជីវិតខ្មែរដើម្បីជាតិសាសន៍ខ្មែរយើងដើម្បីទឹកដីយើងគឺយើងទៅរួមគ្នាដូច្នេះអរគុណបងប្អូនដែលបានតាមដាននៅក្នុងពេករបស់លោកខ្ញុំសំស៊ីសូមជម្រាបលា